Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Accent back seat. First, ensure the front seats are moved forward, creating enough space for the rear seat backs to fold down completely. Next, lower both rear headrests to their lowest position. This prevents interference and makes the folding process much smoother. Finally, clear any items from the rear seat area to avoid damage or obstruction during the process. These initial steps are crucial for a hassle-free experience. Now, let's find the release mechanisms. You'll typically find a small knob or lever on the top edge of each rear seat back, usually near the headrest. Your Hyundai Accent likely has a 60/40 split, meaning you can fold down one side or both independently. In some models, you might even find convenient release levers located within the trunk or cargo area. Take a moment to locate these, as they are key to unlocking the seat backs. Once you've located the release lever, pull it firmly upwards. This action disengages the locking mechanism, allowing the seat back to move freely. As you hold the lever, gently push the seat back forward until it lays flat. Be mindful of the seat belts. Guide them carefully to prevent them from getting pinched or damaged by the folding seat. Ensure the seat back is fully lowered to create a completely flat and usable cargo area. When you're ready to use the rear seats again, simply lift the folded seat back firmly upwards. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked securely into its upright position. Always give the seat back a gentle push to confirm it's fully latched and won't move unexpectedly. Finally, adjust the headrests back to their appropriate height and ensure all seat belts are easily accessible and ready for your passengers. Safety first, always.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.